Auntie Amebo don't come with another story for all of you now. Naira Marley went live on IG yesterday telling all his fans and followers the time and location for the protest.
But listen, I came back. No stealing, no vandalism, nothing. Don't damage no property. No fighting. Tomorrow, second toll gate, 9 a.m. No stealing, nothing. Do you get? Don't use start to be pickpocketing, no. Don't use start to be breaking shop. Don't show you another hand protest and morawa. About jolly, I'm a swing you. Feel start my jolly. So yeah. So tomorrow, see you guys there. We got soldiers protesting, so we've got police protesting and coming to protect you guys. Don't see them and start fighting. Once I came in suffering you.
He also tweeted, "So 9 a.m. tomorrow, we move. Second toll gate, peaceful protest, no vandalism, no fights, and no stealing." A lot of people thought Naira Marley won't go on with the protest because of a video he released day before yesterday saying that not all SARS are bad and we should not use one to criticize every SARS.
I'm just gonna talk from my own opinion, like, really deep down. Me personally, I don't think Endsars is the problem. It's not about Endsars. What are you talking about, Endsars? If you hand SARS war, police, they're not gonna hand police. Police is still going to shoot, or someone else with a gun is gonna shoot. That's not what it is. You need to stop the shooting. It's not about ending SARS, because, like, to be honest, there's a lot of SARS that actually done their work. Not all police are bad. They're not all bad. Some of them are actually good, Some of them are good. Do you get me? There's some SARS that actually done a lot of work. Do you understand? Like, the SARS that's actually working. You can't just say end SARS just because one SARS or two SARS fucked up.
After his tweets, "So 9 a.m. tomorrow we move, second toll gate, peaceful protest, no vandalism, no fight and no stealing," Sunday Dare, who is the Minister for Youth, tweeted, "I urge you and other youths not to embark upon any protest. Your grievances are being addressed at the highest level of government. As the minister in charge of youths, I know this is an issue that must be tackled. Government is doing just that." And then Naira Marley replied, "Ekale sir, we have heard this before 4 times. Why will this be different? Do you really care about the youths? Many of us have been killed and they harass us every day. What is the assurance this time? We need assurance." And this is all the news about the protests. More news on these issues will be brought to all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified once we drop a new video. See you when I see ya.